Today we're going to talk about FHA 203K and eligible improvements on the standard 203K loan. You can do improvements such as flooring, windows, an addition, finish your basement, waterproof the home, new roof, gutters, new kitchen. You can remodel your bathrooms. You can put in doors. You can do an addition to the property, and you can eliminate health and safety hazards as well, which is like mold, asbestos. And for properties that are on well and septic, you're also allowed to install new septic and new well systems. You can also do decks, porches, siding, your HVAC, your plumbing, new water line, handicap accessible if you need that. You're allowed to buy new appliances. You can build a garage, like if you buy a property that needs a garage. You can also do painting to the exterior or interior. You can do structural work, and you can also repair a foundation and do load-bearing walls. All of this is allowed as long as the property appraises out. So like my YouTube channel, reach out if you have any questions.